actually works is super cool. It's insane, bro.
Hey, this is Subway Surfers Unlimited Coins, Boards, and Gems tutorial. So, as you can see, I just opened up Subway Surfers, and I'm broke. But if I press this button, guys, I can activate the mod menu. So, with the mod menu, you can add unlimited coins and unlimited keys. So, I'm going to turn it up all the way. So, let me just try to turn up the keys. Okay. So now it should start rising, and then I'm going to show you how to get this Subway Surfers mod for your device. So you can get unlimited boards, keys, coins. So let's see if it increases or not. No money, no money. Hopefully it does start going up, so hopefully it does work. So let's see what happens. And come on, give me something. So yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Subway Surfers mod for your device. So let's see if it maxes out right here. Yeah. So download it. How, you ask? It's easy, bro. Just go over to this website. I think it's called matrixmods.com, but I'm not sure. So let's just go to that website and see if it's there. So I'm on the website, so I'm going to type in Subway, and as you can see, there it is. So press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be verification. So this is the last step. So you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, then you'll get Subway Surfers unlimited boards, keys, coins. So let's wait for it to load. So as you can see, we got this thing that says preparing final page. So just download 2 of these apps, whatever they are, guys, doesn't matter. You can see it says almost there. So just do a couple of these. So we got Travel Town, which says reach level 9, so it's like a game. So just press continue. It'll take you to the app store. You just got to play it till you're like level 9. So this is just an example one, but I just think it's pretty easy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get this for your device. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, if you're broke, like, just say it. Like, this is the easiest way to get rich in Subway Surfers. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, just peace out, my gang.